guys. Let's try to hold this camera straight. This thing feels really insane. All right, here we go up, guys. I don't know how it's going to be when we start whipping around, but these things are crazy high. If you don't like the heights, this is probably not the thing you want to be on. And I hate heights, guys. Hate it. Woo! All right, let's do this. Yeah, my son ain't gonna like this. Neither am I. Neither am I. Holy moly! Wow! This thing is crazy. Woo! Holy moly! Oh my God! Upside down, left, right. Oh God! Morgan, it's really not that bad. You're gonna love it. You gotta go on this thing. And I think Marley can go on it also. Yeah, it's good for you guys. Wow! Oh my God! Woo! Holy moly! I don't think this is over yet. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is great. Yeah, make sure you guys don't have a breakfast when you get on this thing. Holy crow. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Holy crow. On the flip side, if you guys got cancer, it might make it go away. At least I'm hoping it does anyway. Holy crow. Wow. Yeah, so I woke up this morning, grabbed a cup of coffee, and ran out the door. So I don't feel too bad after this. It's crazy. I thought I'd be feeling a little more nauseous, but I tell you what, if you guys once you get up on top of the actual roller coaster, the very first effect when you're looking down, it is crazy. If you're afraid of heights like I am, it's a nightmare. But on the flip side, if you guys like to record your videos when you're up there, have it on, be looking at your camera, and it takes away a lot of the ride, so you guys don't really see a lot of the upside down stuff and going down the hills. But I like it. It's cool. It's a little more than the Kraken, that's for sure. As soon as I get home, I'll cut this one up and I'll get it out on YouTube, guys, so you'll be able to see it. And by the way, we do have a winner of our Star Wars hat, so we're finally reaching out to the person that got that. We're gonna get that out there. And what you guys are gonna do is stay tuned week to week. We're gonna try once a month to give away one of our items. We've got shirts, we've got Disney prints, we've got Ron John Surf Shop decals, we've got bumper stickers, the annual pass holder stickers. So keep posted. We'll have like questions for you. Whoever gets it right, they'll be the winner of these items. But it's good to have a winner finally, so we're trying to reach out and get in touch with them. If we do not get in touch with them, we'll give it a timeline. If we don't get in touch, then we'll pick another name out of the hat. So what we do is a random wheel. So we get online, we just pick a random wheel. We put the number of subscribers we have in there. We run it. So we took 3,000. It picked a number. We went all the way down through our subscribers, and we picked that number. So that is the winner right now. So stay posted on that. If nobody claims that, then we will pick another winner. And just always, if we send a comment out there to you, try to answer that. It makes it easier. YouTube doesn't give us an easy way to contact members if they win stuff. So try to stay posted. If you get a comment, get back there for us, and that way we can get something out to you.